shutting down the party. Say, back 'em up, bang 'em on down. Say, back 'em up, bang 'em on down. I'm falling out of love, I'm falling down the stairs. I said, damn, don't you care? I said, damn, don't you care? I'm nothing but dust, corner to center. Says, sweep me up now. Said, sweep me up now. Chains, I said, damn, what a fortunate day. I said, damn, what was her name? She was fractured and frozen, Lord, I met her at the complex. Damn, what was her name? I said, damn, what a fortunate day. I said, air-conditioned cowboys, freaking pecan song. I was looking for a long time, just sitting there, just looking. I wonder if there's a better way that I can tell this story. It's a puppet. Yeah, do you have puppets? All right, I'll tell this story. Ready? I'm going to tell the story about the thing, okay? I was driving down from Northern California, and then all of a sudden I looked down at the gas gauge and I realized that I was running out of gas. And so I filled up my tank. As I was getting into the car, I noticed that there was a LeBaron had pulled up right next to me, and it was in a big family filled with, like, I don't know, it's like 16 people in this car, and they all seemed to be on speed. And they were talking very fast, and there was a stack of white bread on this kid's lap. And he was making bologna sandwiches in the front seat. And the mother got out of the car, and she goes, "We're making great time! We're making great time!" And I thought that was unfortunate for whoever they were going to see. Life is just too short for some folks. For other folks, it just drags on. Some folks like the taste of smoky whiskey. Others feel the tea's too strong. I'm the kind of guy that likes to ride the middle. Don't like this bouncing back and forth. Me, I wanna live with my feet in Dixie and my head in the cool blue north. In a small suburban garden, not a single neighbor knows our name. No, the woman wishes we would move somewhere where the houses are all the same. Jesse, won't you take me where the grass is greener, though I wouldn't know where it may be. Somewhere high upon a mountain top, or down by the deep blue sea. They will do just as we please. It ain't nothing but a breeze.
call me old great grandpa. All the pretty girls will call me sir. Now they asking me how things are. Soon they'll ask me how things were. I don't mind being old great grandpa if you'll be my old great grandma. We'll take our tea and our cookies, eat the shade of an old pawpaw. They will do just as we please. It ain't nothing but a breeze. Life is just too short for some folks. For other folks it just drags on. Some folks like the taste of smoky whiskey. Others feel the tea's too strong. I'm the kind of guy who likes to ride the middle